On this video, I'll be sharing with you 2 things that you actually need to do for you to make more money in your business in this year. Now, my number 1 is for you to become popular. Yes, guys, for you to actually make money, you actually need to be popular. Have you ever wondered why you are always buying from all the celebrities in the world? Why all the celebrities that are, why all the celebrities are having products and they are always selling out? That is because they have become a celebrity. That is because they have become known. That is because they have become a household name already. If you really want to sell out, if you really want to make more money in your business, then you want to begin to build your popularity. You want to begin to get known. You want to begin to get seen. You want to begin to get a lot of likes. You want to begin to get a lot of trust. So one thing you want to do is ask yourself, what do I need to do on a daily basis for people to know me? Write out all of those things you need to do and begin to do it consistently in this year and build your popularity. That is one of the ways you can make more money, so that when you build your popularity, whenever you put out content, whenever you put out product, whatever you say, people will listen and they will very well buy. If you're getting value so far from this video, I want you to subscribe, like this video, and make sure you share, set the notification buttons on so that you can always get notified whenever I put up a video like this. I'm super excited that you are here, and I will love you to be part of this family. So let's continue on this video. Number 2 thing that you need to do is for you to actually begin to create communities. Yes, guys, every of these celebrities have created communities for themselves. Even the influencers that you are liking, every of them have community of people that would be interested in the product or in the services or in what they do as a person, right? So when you begin to build community of people, you're beginning to bring like minds of people that are interested in you. And when you have a lot of these people, imagine having a community of people. Imagine having a community of 100,000 people, right? When you put out products for 5,000 naira, do you think such people will not buy? Of course they would buy. When you have a community of 1 million people, when you put out products of 200,000 naira, will such a community not buy? Even if it's just 1 or 2 persons that buy, you will definitely see people that will buy. Remember, for sales to happen, you need to see things more than 7 times, and for the conversion of sales is 10% of people that sees what you are selling. So imagine, the more number of people that sees what you are selling, the more number of sales you will be making. So when you begin to build community, you're having a lot of people in one platform as it relates to your business, and when you put out your product on a daily basis, they will very well see that product because they are in that community. Now, this is the 2 things you need to build around your brand, around your business, for you to begin to cash out in this year. I will see you again on another video. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and please share with your friends. I would love more people to see this video. Let the algorithm also take this video out. So please, guys, share. I will see you again on another video.